everybody, Katie here. So today I'm over at my daughter-in-law's and we're going to be decorating some Halloween treats. And we're hoping that Luna is going to join us. Right now she is taking a really solid nap. She's been down for a while. Yeah.
She needs it.
Yeah. So she found this idea and we're going to be doing some mummies?
Mummy brownies. It's really
brownies.
Easy. Well,
Yeah.
she made the
we like
brownies,
easy.
so I would just get a boxed brownie mix. And
I just made an 8x8 square pan.
already made frosting. And then we just need some eyeballs, some monster eyeballs that I got at Target.
Cute. Okay, so you're going to have to show me what we're doing
Alright,
here.
so all you have to do is just make it look like a mummy. It's really easy.
So we just stripe it.
Yeah.
Move this thing. I'm not good at decorating things at all.
I don't think you can make this look bad, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I mean, I would make my own frosting because it frosts better than this. But then all you do is you add some eyes.
So these are, where'd you get these bags? Are they just
I just had them.
frosting bags?
Yeah, they're just, but you can also just use sandwich bags.
Yeah.
I don't have sandwich bags.
Snip a hole in the bottom.
Yeah.
These are a little thicker, so they're kind of nice, huh?
Well, these are also, I think, reusable. Like if you want to wash them.
Do you put them in the dishwasher?
I don't know.
Oh.
I turn them inside out and hand wash them.
Oh, okay. Let them dry.
Hand wash a lot of stuff.
I think I'm getting the hang of it. Kind of even pressure.
Put some dots above it.
Oh, okay.
I guess you could do that. That looks fine.
No, it looks better your way. I think you were right. It looks
Mummies!
cute.
And then if you want, just you can just fill this in a little too, because it doesn't need to be perfect.
Yeah, I like the little, she put frosting underneath the eyes so they kind of stand out better.
Well, they also stick, so they don't fall off.
Well, that's true, but I was putting it lower. I think we hear Luna. So I think we'll be bringing those over to Sarah's. Sarah's moving, Sarah's family is moving tonight, so, well,
They just
got the house, yeah.
Like a street next to us.
Yeah.
So she's having a pizza party in like the living room, and we made a lot of
Empty
treats
living
today.
room. Yeah.
So
We'll be bringing over
might as well.
mummy brownies, yay.
Yeah.
And Ariana really wanted to be here to make them, but she had a play date, so she had to go. Look at that. What are they? Can you say mummy? Mummy? Did you just wake up from your nap? You had a long nap today.
This is chocolate brownie.
So
Do they
cute.
have eyes on them? Oh, they're looking at you. I know. I know.
Happy Halloween, everybody. So today I'm on my way to go pick up Ariana and Bella, and we're going to be making some fun Halloween treats. You know, Halloween has never been my favorite holiday. I don't like all the spooky, creepy stuff, and I know they don't either. So we're just going to come back and make some fun stuff, fun treats. Okay, so we're back at my house, and these girls cannot wait to get started. Yeah! The first thing we're going to make is spider cookies. The girls each have to have their own, you know, chance to do something. So, all right, now look, let me show you a trick. If you just start cutting, then you may not have the right, they may be all different thicknesses. So you go this way, and then you're gonna make a little mark here, a little mark here. So you know they're all gonna be about the same size, right? You could try that, okay? And then you just keep cutting where the lines are. That's right. Try to go straight down as you can. These girls have their nails painted just for today. Bright orange. What are you gonna do with that? Eat it? Don't eat any more, okay, right now. Mama wouldn't want you to eat too much of this. Unwrap these, and this is going to be the spider's head.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Yeah, and my husband got into a few of these when I wasn't looking, so got to get more out.
Got into what of these?
Yeah. Who can resist?
Husband? You mean GT?
GT. That's who I mean. It's still really hot here, so we're all having lemonade while we do this. It seems like we should be having hot apple cider or something like that, but we're having lemonade, right?
You're so tall.
She got tall from standing on that stool. Tell us about what's going on at home today, Ariana, Bella.
We're just packing. Yeah,
Because
we're moving tomorrow.
you're moving tomorrow. Yeah. Pretty exciting.
And who are you moving close to?
Uncle Joe and Uncle Matthew. And Uncle Joey.
Right.
And Uncle Joey.
Right. That's going to be fun.
Well, they can hear you over there, but I don't think they can see you, Mom.
Sitting down having my lemonade.
Look how many tractor it.
Yeah. Let's throw all that. Wait. I'll put it close. There we go. Thank you.
Yeah, we're going to do that. So the first thing that you want to do while they're still kind of warm is kind of just make a little indentation in there.
Why?
Well, for the Reese's. So it has a nice little home.
Oh, these are these the spiders?
Yep. Then you got to wait for them to cool before you put them on.
So they're going to have heads.
Yep.
Just heads?
Yeah,
Oh, no,
legs.
heads. This is already fun.
A spider has how many legs?
8.
That's right. Good job, Bella.
Good. Look.
Good.
At that.
Wow, that is good.
Here's 2 eyes. Here's 2 eyes.
Okay, is that
What you're in.
No, here's 2
one?
eyes.
No, I've got it. 1, 2, 3.
8.
Perfect. Not too much because we want to make sure we have enough for the whole shebang.
She has to stick the eyes on.
You got to put the eyes in the front.
Not on front.
Yeah, they go kind of like this, Bella. Spaced so the legs are kind of evenly spaced. Okay. You think it's spooky? Are you too afraid to eat it?
She's a good actor. She's acting.
Yeah, we were supposed to let these cool a little bit more, but we got impatient, so they are a little bit melty. But that's okay. Once you put them in the fridge, they'll be fine.
Too spooky.
Get it to make them a little bit
Too
further apart.
spooky. Yeah, these are the 2 I gave.
Wow.
Spooky eye.
She ran away, but I said, "Is it too spooky to eat?" And she said, "No."
It looked pretty spooky. It looked like a giant spider.
Good job, Ariana.
Oh, I can't wait to
Nice.
eat one of those.
Okay, they finished. Yay! We improvised because we ran out of the real eyes, so we just used M&Ms.
But
and we
this
put
one
black
has.
dots on
But
them.
this one has. Now the next one that we're gonna do is
Popcorn.
popcorn. But gotta have it. We never had
Each
plate
dump one
color.
in here. I just bought bags of popcorn for this. You know, so you can make it. So this is what we're gonna do. We've got white chocolate, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt these actually first. We want orange, so we're gonna mix yellow and red, and then we want purple, so we're gonna mix blue and red.
But
Don't forget this color now. Bella, you want to put in a drop or 2 of blue? That doesn't look like orange to me. That looks like pale yellow.
so
That's orange. The pumpkin back
put
there.
more orange.
Yeah, that's yellow. See? It's this color. It's not the color
So-
inside. You're going to mix this and that to make orange, remember?
This looks like pink.
You got to use more.
Yellow?
Both. Yeah, probably more yellow. What about some red for you, Bella?
I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna dark blue.
Look at that. Yeah, there you go. Orange. The last thing that we're going to be doing is making a Halloween white chocolate sweet and salty popcorn. So we're just breaking up some pretzels here. You could do them whole, but I don't know. I like it a little bit more broken up in my popcorn. And we've just got some salted peanuts here. These are little bowls of white chocolate that we've added food coloring to, and we're going to drizzle them over the top. So you guys each drizzle while I stir, okay? Yeah. And I'm going to stir it. Looks pretty yummy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You think you'd like to take some of that to school and share?
I don't know if I want. Oh yeah, I do actually.
Oh, good. Yeah. There you go. Then we're gonna add some more pretzels and peanuts. And we can't forget about dark chocolate.
I like it with the pretzels.
Ooh,
Oh, wow.
boy. What a mess.
Yeah.
What a mess, madam.
Everybody's eating it. Okay. Normally you wouldn't be having cookies at 5 o'clock. I think I'm gonna be in trouble with Mama. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in, and we really had a fun afternoon doing this, didn't we? Some non-spooky treats. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you guys soon.